Are you ready to make lasting memories this Thanksgiving? Picture a joyful family gathering around a beautifully set table filled with delicious food and love. But how do you create an unforgettable experience for everyone? Let us show you how to elevate your Thanksgiving celebration. Gather your family and friends for a heartfelt dinner that expresses gratitude and joy. Imagine the warmth of everyone holding hands in prayer before the meal, fostering a deep sense of connection. Visualize children laughing and sharing stories with grandparents under a cozy autumn sky. Your Thanksgiving dinner will be unique. The aromas of roasted turkey and pumpkin pie fill the air, making mouths water with excitement. Add twinkling lights, colorful decorations, and music to create an inviting atmosphere. Here are 3 key benefits of our Thanksgiving planning service. 1. Create cherished traditions that strengthen family bonds. 2. Save time with pre-planned menus and decorations. 3. Experience a stress-free celebration filled with joy. Stand out from the crowd by letting us handle the details while you focus on making memories. Our service allows you to relax and enjoy every moment with your loved ones. Don't wait any longer. Sign up now to transform your Thanksgiving into a remarkable celebration. Visit our website today and start your journey toward unforgettable moments. Happy Thanksgiving!